stats, we've been given the stats in the last few days, about 75% of fatalities occur from flooding in surge waters. Only about 8% occur from actually wind damage of hurricanes. That is a telling number.
We've got river flooding that's going to go on right now, but our projections for river flooding, we've got about 4 gauges today that are currently in flooding. This is 5 days from now. We've got tons of rivers that are going to be, a lot of them at their record level flooding that they've ever seen, and they've seen a lot of flooding here from other tropical storms. This is 5 days from now, so that flooding event that is coming, at least a river flooding event, is not here yet.